July 2023, where a vision touched the ground. From an idea to foundations set with purpose. Every deadline met with commitment. In a remarkably short span of time, the structure is now 100% complete. 75% block masonry is completed. Plaster works progressing. Basement finishing underway. What many consider impossible, we delivered ahead of expectations. No compromises, only consistency. We did it faster than expectations, a rare development in record time. This is a timeline that sets new standards. AA Waterfront, a new standard of living.